this shrub has gotten a little tall, so we're going to cut it back just a little bit. And this is a little tall here. Yeah, well, I just want to bring it back down to a manageable size so that when it's not as tall as the lower branches of this tree that it's next to, we're going to cut some of these down because they're a little tall. I'm going to be cutting this back to a point of growth, which could be a bud that's going to break above this leaf. And since this leaf is pointing this way and we want to fill in this area, we're going to cut just above, about a 1/4 inch above this bud that's going to break in the direction that this leaf is growing. So that way it will fill in the plant in this area. So now this Fleur de Nice looks a little more in control and the size that we need to be under these trees.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.